Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to your English class. Dear students, today we will learn about adjective. Our topic is adjective. Adjective is a word that describes the noun. We can say that adjective is describing words. Describing word is adjective. It tells about noun something good or bad. Let's learn the adjective describing words. Okay, adjective describe the noun or any person or animal or anything. Words that describe the quality of any person, any place, any animal, anything are called adjectives. Words used to describe quality, color, size, shape. Quality means she is a nice girl. Color means the leaves are green. Size means he is a tall boy. Shape means the box is very small. And number means I see three beautiful kites in the sky. An adjective tells us that how someone looks and how something tastes, feels and something sounds or smell. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम कहें कि हमें कोई इंसान या जानवर कैसा लगता है, उसकी हम शेप डिस्क्राइब करें तो वो एडजेक्टिव होगा. अगर हम बताएं कि ये खाना कैसा है, टेस्टी है या इसकी स्मेल क्या है किसी चीज़ की, तो वो भी एडजेक्टिव होगा. और हम बताएं कि ये म्यूज़िक कैसा है, ये जो सॉन्ग हम सुन रहे हैं ये कैसा है, स्लो है, फास्ट है, लाउड है, तो हम वो भी एडजेक्टिव होगा. Just look at these example. Beautiful girl. Number 2, salty chips. Number 3, fresh fragrance. And number 4, soft pillow. Number 5, loud music. So here, these words, number 1, beautiful. Number 2, salty. Number 3, fresh. Number 4, soft. Number 5, loud are adjectives. These words are adjectives. Dear students, look at these adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun such as person, place. Okay. Here we have some adjectives. Let's read them. In number 1 box is black, blue, coral, green. It is describing about color. Okay, dear students? And it's describing size, big, huge, large, little, short. And shape, boxy, oval, round, square, triangle. And taste, bitter, sour, sweet, and tangy, tart. And weather, clear, dry, foggy, rain. Number, few, 50, many, sparse, 2. Number means few, 50, many, how much, how many, and how little. Okay, we call them numbers. That means quantitative. Sound, faint, harmonious, loud, pleasant, quiet. Texture, bumpy, furry, slimy, smoothie, squishy. Squishy means soft, smoothie means very like soft, and slimy means पतला सा, दुबला पतला सा. टेक्सचर मीन्स, टेक्सचर क्या होता है कि कोई चीज़ हमें कैसी दिखाई दे रही है, दुबली पतली सी दिखाई दे रही है, उसको टेक्सचर कहते हैं. ऑर्डर, फ्लावर, फ्रेश, मस्टी, साल्टी, स्टिंकी. ऑर्डर मीन्स खुशबू. ऑर्डर मीन्स स्मेल करने में कैसा है, कि मैंने आपको बताया कि एडजेक्टिव्स आल्सो टेल्स अबाउट स्मेल, साउंड और taste. These are all adjective. Read these adjective very carefully and your homework is write any 10 adjective from the given list. So your homework is write any 10 adjective from the given list. आपको इन adjective में से कोई भी 10 लिखने हैं. ठीक है, अपना homework अच्छे से करिए. I'll be back with the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.